What's up, boys? It's your boy, Milk Boy, and I'm back. That's right, guys, I'm back. And, we're doing another food review for the third time in a row. But it's okay, guys, next time it'll be something different, I promise. Anyways, I will be doing a food review on XL Gum. I love XL Gum. It's so amazing.
Like, when you get like XL gum, you know, and like milk together, you're popping a bunch of XLs, you're drinking a bunch of milk.
You're having a good time. It's great, guys. It's freaking great. I love it. I love it. So, you know, let's just try this already. Alright, we got ourselves the XL Gum here. And I'm ready to try it. I'm ready to try it. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, I got about like, I got 6 here. I got six of them here. Alright? I'm not gonna take too much, guys, because you know, sometimes I go a little bit crazy on XL Gum. Not gonna lie, guys. But anyways, let's just try like 3 for now. Then maybe I'll take the other 3 if I want, okay? Well, does that sound good for you guys? Oh, Jesus, guys, I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but I'm going to drink some more of this. Because, like, I'm just way too addicted, guys. I can't. I have to take them all, guys.
I have to take them all.
I have to take them all! What the fuck? Oh my gum, bro. All of my gum, guys. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, I can't just let this go to waste, guys. I can't. But I don't like eating soggy gum. But I'm gonna have to.